Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing online business ideas that you can start with $0. That's right, no investment needed. We're talking about proven methods that can help you earn passive income, build a side hustle, or even create a full-time income stream, all from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra cash, these ideas are for you. So if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom, stick around because we're about to break down 5 incredible online business ideas that require absolutely $0 to get started. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. First up, we have freelance writing. This is a fantastic option if you have a knack for words and enjoy creating compelling content. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are amazing places to find your first clients. They connect freelancers with businesses looking for everything from website copy and blog posts to social media captions and even proofreading. The best part? You don't need years of experience to start. Create a profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. Don't be afraid to start small. Even taking on smaller, lower-paying gigs can help you build your portfolio, gain valuable experience, and attract higher-paying clients in the future. Remember, every successful freelancer started somewhere. Next, we have print on demand, a business model that's exploding in popularity. With print on demand, you can design and sell custom merchandise without ever having to touch inventory. Platforms like Printful and Teespring make this incredibly easy. Simply create your designs, upload them to the platform, and they handle everything else from printing to shipping. You can create t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and a whole lot more. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And the best part is, you only pay for the product when a customer places an order. This means no upfront costs, no need to store inventory, and no risk of being left with unsold products. Plus, you can experiment with different designs and niches to see what resonates best with your target audience. Chapter 3. Affiliate Marketing. Earn while you learn. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based business model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. It's actually simpler than it sounds. You join an affiliate program, choose products you believe in, and then share your unique affiliate link with your audience. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a percentage of the sale. Easy, right? You can promote affiliate products through various channels like a blog, social media, or even your YouTube channel. The key is to focus on providing value to your audience. Recommend products that genuinely solve their problems or enhance their lives. Authenticity is key to building trust and driving conversions. Chapter 4. Online tutoring. Sharing knowledge, earning income. If you excel in a particular subject and enjoy helping others learn, online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle. With the rise of online learning, the demand for qualified tutors has skyrocketed. Platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors connect students with tutors from around the world. You can set your own hours, choose the subjects you want to teach, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're a math whiz, a grammar guru, or a coding expert, there are students out there who need your help. It's a rewarding way to earn money while making a real difference in someone's education. Chapter 5. Dropshipping, your online retail empire. Last but not least, we have dropshipping. This business model has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store using a platform like Shopify, partner with a dropshipping supplier through Oberlo, and list their products on your store. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles the packaging and shipping directly to the customer. You act as the middleman, connecting buyers with products and setting your own profit margins. Dropshipping offers incredible flexibility and low startup costs. You don't need to worry about warehousing, inventory management, or shipping logistics. It's a great way to test different product ideas and find your niche in the e-commerce world. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments which business idea you're excited to try. Remember, the beauty of these online business ideas is that they require minimal investment to get started. You don't need a fancy website, expensive equipment, or even a business degree. All you need is passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn. So, what are you waiting for? Choose an idea that resonates with you, take action, and start building your online empire today. For more information about making money while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.